Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating and important topic, detecting epileptic seizures using advanced technology. An epileptic seizure is like a sudden, unexpected storm of electrical signals in the brain. This storm can cause changes in behavior, movements, feelings, and even levels of consciousness. In our project, we're harnessing the power of artificial intelligence and deep learning to detect these seizures. We're using the CHB-MIT dataset, which is a collection of brainwave recordings from children with epilepsy. This data helps us understand and predict seizures more accurately. We're using 4 different algorithms for this task: a custom CNN model, VGG16, AlexNet, and Inception v3. Each of these models brings a unique approach to analyzing the data. Our web application is designed to be user-friendly and comprehensive. It includes login, registration, and forgot password pages, easy access and secure login for users. Model architectures page, a detailed view of the structure of each model we are using. Accuracy and loss curves page, visual representations of how well each model is performing. Upload EDF file page. Users can upload brainwave data files, EDF files, for analysis. Prediction page. Once the data is uploaded, all algorithms will process it and highlight the points where a seizure is detected. History page. A tabular format to display the history of predictions, making it easy to track and analyze past results. By combining these advanced technologies and a well-designed interface, we aim to provide a powerful tool for detecting and understanding epileptic seizures. Our ultimate goal is to help improve the lives of those affected by epilepsy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects and innovations. Stay tuned.